really the whole point of getting in touch and making these messaging them is to get them in person on a real date. So you don't want to be messaging back and forth the whole time. You want to get her phone number so you can get off of the app, and now you're on a more personal level because she's actually giving you something of hers to contact her directly instead of being on the messaging app with 50 other guys that are also messaging her. So that's going to differentiate you right away. And from that point, you want to get into a date as quickly as possible. There isn't a set number of messages to go back and forth before you actually ask her on a date, but the general rule of thumb is to ask her on a date as quickly as possible. Right? Don't be worrying about getting to know her on the app, because you're really not going to get to know her. Whatever she says or whatever she thinks about herself isn't going to make a connection between the two of you until you actually meet in person, and you can do all the things that matter, like eye contact and using your body language and your personality. Most of your personality is going to be hidden behind the app or behind the text messages, so you're not really going to be able to shine there.